and minerals. Imagine if we could address malnutrition by creating nutrient-dense foods for those in need. Or consider the potential for those with swallowing difficulties, where food texture can be modified to make it easier to consume. Now let's talk about sustainability. Traditional methods of food production are resource-intensive and contribute to climate change. With 3D food printing, we have the potential to reduce waste by printing only what we need. We could even use alternative, sustainable ingredients like plant-based proteins or insects. In the realm of gastronomy, chefs can use this technology to push the boundaries of creativity, creating intricate designs and unique textures that would be impossible to achieve by hand. So you see, 3D food printing is not just about printing food, it's about revolutionizing how we think about, create, and consume our meals. With 3D food printing, the possibilities for what we can create are only limited by our imagination. 3D food printing is more than just a novelty, it's a game changer. This emerging technology allows us to step beyond the traditional confines of cooking, offering a new level of customization and efficiency in food production. Imagine a world where every meal is tailored to your specific dietary needs, where food waste is minimized, and where intricate culinary creations are just a click away. Moreover, 3D food printing holds the potential to address some of our most pressing global challenges. It could play a crucial role in combating food insecurity, as it enables us to create nutritious meals from alternative and sustainable ingredients. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of 3D food printing is that it's only just getting started. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and delicious applications. So as we embark on this exciting journey into the future of food, remember, the next meal you eat could